Hi, thank you for joining me. My name's Amy and I'm the maker and creator behind Sherbet Studios. Today I want to talk you through how to do a magic ring or a magic loop. So what you'll need is some yarn and a crochet hook. This yarn is Drops Paris. It's a cotton yarn. I think this is the shade Blush or Blush Pink, something like that. And the crochet hook here is a 3.5mm crochet hook. So the magic ring is a crucial part of crochet, particularly when you're thinking of crocheting toys or amigurumi. If you take a look here, this circle right at the top is a magic ring. And as you can see, when it is pulled tight, it has no gaps, there's no stuffing coming through, and it allows you to create really neat crochet in the round. So to start off, you want to take your yarn and take your first 2 fingers and wrap the yarn around the 2 fingers, making sure to cross over the yarn here. So got your 2 fingers and got your yarn, hold the yarn with your thumb and wrap the yarn around your 2 fingers there. Now if you flip your hand, you see you've got those 2 strands of yarn that you have wrapped around your fingers. Now I tend to use my 3rd finger just to hold it in place there so it doesn't fall off your fingers or end up being too loose. So you're holding the yarn with your thumb at the back to stop the loose tail, and with your 3rd finger here to stop them slipping off your fingers. Now if you take your crochet hook, you want to go underneath the first loop, so in between the fingers and underneath first loop, and with the hook end of your crochet hook, hook the other strand underneath. And then to secure it onto your hook, just pull the hook up like this. You might have to give it a little bit of a twizzle so that the yarn doesn't fall off, and you have a little loop on your hook. Now just do that again, a little bit faster. So you wrap your yarn around the 2 fingers and turn your hand over, take your crochet hook, go underneath the first loop, hook the 2nd loop, and you're ready to go. Now what you need to do is pull the loop off your fingers like this. So you'll have your tail, the yarn that's connected to your ball of yarn, and you'll have a loop on your hook. Now what you can do here is hold on to the bit that is starting to sort of tie into a bit of a knot, hold onto that and pull on the loose end, and you should feel this circle, which is the magic loop, spoiler alert, begin to tighten a little bit, and that just makes it a little bit easier to work with. The yarn isn't as loose. And here we have it. This is effectively close to the magic loop. All we need to do now is secure it so that you're ready to start working in whatever your pattern suggests. And to do that, we do a chain stitch. So we take the yarn that's attached to the ball and we yarn that over the hook and pull it through your loop. And there we have it. This is the magic loop. Now, for example, lots of crochet patterns, the ones that I write, but in general, a very typical way to start a crochet pattern when doing toys is to single crochet 6 into a magic loop. So we're going to do that right now just to show you what that looks like. So we have our magic loop, we have some yarn, and we have chained 1 to secure the magic loop in place. Now we're going to single crochet 6 into that circle. So what we want to do is go into the magic loop, pull up some yarn, wrap the yarn around the hook, and pull it through those 2 loops. So that's 1 single crochet in the magic loop. And so we'll do that 5 more times. In the magic loop, pull the yarn through, wrap the yarn over, and pull it through 2 loops. That's 2 single crochets, and 3 in the magic loop, and do a single crochet in that circle. That's 4, 5, and 6. There we go. So that is 6 single crochet in the magic loop. And then to finish this off, before proceeding to row 2 or whatever the pattern suggests, is just hold on to the magic loop, hold on to sort of the last few stitches that you've just done. Take that loose end there, and give it a bit of a pull. And as you can see, that circle or the gap that we were crocheting into is completely closed. And then you can go about crocheting whatever the rest of the pattern says. That's all from me for this video. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen. I really hope this has been super helpful for you. But if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I wish you all the best with your crochet creations and hope to see you again soon. Bye!